Good day everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to tackle about the type of clouds and precipitation, followed by the structure of depression and the anticyclone. So before I'm going to tackle the three topics, so let me remind you that this video is for educational purpose only. So now first let's tackle about clouds. So what is clouds? So clouds in meteorology means an aerosol consisting of a visible mass of minute liquid droplets, frozen, crystal, or other particles suspended in an atmosphere of a planetary body or similar space. But right now, I'm about to inform the type of clouds based on three classifications. So, the three troposphere levels are the low-level clouds, middle-level clouds, and high-level clouds. So, the type of low-level clouds are cumulus, cumulonimbus, stratus, and stratocumulus. So, while in the middle level clouds are altocumulus, altostratus, nimbostratus. Lastly, the high level clouds, the cirrus, cirrocumulus, and cirrostratus. So, next will be the precipitation. So, what is precipitation? So, precipitation is any product of the condensation of atmospheric water vapor that falls under gravity form of clouds. So while the type of precipitation are rain, drizzle, ice pellets, hail, small hail, sleet, snow, grains, and ice crystals. So now let's proceed to the structure of depressions. So, an air mass is a volume of air defined by its temperature and water vapor content. They may cover hundreds or thousands of square miles and adapt the characteristic of the surface below. So, they are grouped into categories based on their source region. So, the first region is the continental Arctic, the maritime tropical or MT, then the continental tropical or CT, and the maritime polar or MP, and the continental polar CP or CP. So in relation to cold front, which the cold air behind the front undercuts the warm air of the warm sector and warm front. So that air in the warm sector of the depression meets the denser cold air on the frontal boundary. So the warm air overrides it. So also in the northern hemisphere, winds circulate around a depression in an anti-clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. So winds circulate around a depression in a clockwise direction. So now, lastly will be the anticyclones. So an anticyclone is the opposite to a cyclone, which has a weather pattern describe a large-scale wind circulation around the central area of high atmospheric pressure. So clockwise in the northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere. So anticyclones are associated with quite good conditions. So also classified as a high pressure area. So anticyclone may be either hot or cold. So hot anticyclone or all subtropical and some higher latitude anticyclones are characterized by a largely warm troposphere. So the cold anticyclone is one in which the lower troposphere is filled by cold air. As a result, it has a relatively shallow. So circulation that pass into fast circulation is lower latitudes behind the depression family. And that would be all. Thank you.